Training on how to correct error code E445 on a Navien Tankless water heater. Once you get this error code, it's this bypass valve that is trying to open and close, but internally the gears are damaged and not allowing this plunger, let's call it, to go back and forward to when their faucet is open to give water flow, to allow water to flow. My apologies. You will also see or potentially hear a clicking sound, and that's the gear trying to change, but it will never engage. Here you will see the new valve. Keep in mind that most times that the new valve does not come with those black rubbers that you will see in the video. Without those black rubber seals, the valve will always leak. So keep in mind, either make sure that they're in there, or when you remove the old one, use the existing ones, or you will have to order this with the part as well. In this case, once I removed it the other day, I noticed the gaskets were still good, so I just reused those. To remove this valve, you will see that there's these two clips. Main thing is that you shut off the water going to the tankless, and you will have a little bit of water residue. Just keep a rag underneath to soak it up and have the new valve in place. You'll notice that I forgot to remove the gaskets that I was just mentioning, and had to remove the new valve, install the gaskets, and reinstall it. We also completed a maintenance drain this time. You will see here that the drain is completely clogged, and that is the outcome of the flush.